All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of satellite movement around Earth. Have you ever wondered how satellites actually move in space? Get ready for a mind-blowing revelation. Satellites orbiting Earth have long been a mystery to many. It's time to uncover the truth behind their movement and dispel common misconceptions. So here's the deal. The common belief is that satellites are just floating in space. But the reality is quite different. Satellites are not stationary. They are in a constant state of controlled falling around our planet. Now let's dig deeper into how satellites really move. They are in a perpetual state of free fall, constantly balancing their forward momentum with the gravitational pull of Earth. It's like a never-ending dance in space. And here comes the key moment of realization. Satellites are not defying gravity. They are actually embracing it. They are falling towards Earth, but their horizontal speed keeps them in orbit, creating a delicate equilibrium between motion and gravity. In summary, satellites move around Earth by continuously falling towards it while maintaining their forward velocity. It's a delicate interplay of forces that allows these man-made objects to gracefully glide through space. If you found this information intriguing, make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing space-related content. And don't forget to share your thoughts on satellite movement in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.